To fix Apple Music not working after iOS 17 update on your iPhone. If you are facing such type of issue, Apple Music not working in your iPhone, then here are the fixes. The first workaround is go to App Store of your iPhone and here look for Music app, and you may press your profile icon and choose if your Apple Music update available, then download and install latest Apple Music update in your system. Sometimes outdated app may be a cause of not working in your iPhone. The second one is force restart your iPhone. Press volume up button once, down button once, and long press home button until Apple logo appear on your screen. This is the process of hard reset your iPhone. The third one is go to settings, tap on general settings, and here tap on transfer or reset iPhone, and here tap on reset again and choose reset all settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or face ID and finally choose reset all settings. Tap on it. These three workaround will definitely fix your Apple Music not working on your system, and the update your Apple Music, this is the best option.